On this video today, I'm going to show you a simple strategy that you can use to make $100 daily using CPA marketing. This method is one of the best methods that you can use to make money as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create a CPAGrip account. Once you create your account and login, what you have to do is that you have to come right here and then click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, you have to select my offers. Once you select my offers, the next step is that you are going to select the country where you want to promote offers. You have to select a country where you have a traffic source so that you can get people to complete the offers for you to make money. So make sure you select any of the countries where you have a traffic source. You can select any country that you want. You can see it is available worldwide. As you can see, any country that you want, you can select that. But make sure you select a country where you can get traffic to the offers that you are going to be promoting. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to select the United States, so just click on it. Once you select the United States, you are going to see a page like this. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote to earn money. You can see this offer right here. If you promote it and get people to complete the offer, you are going to be earning $2.31. You can see this one, you are going to be earning $1.02. So there are many offers that you can promote on this platform. As I scroll, you can see many offers. You can see this one right here. You're going to be earning $3.42 per every lead that you get. You can see get your Cash App gift card. This is a Cash App gift card that your potential visitors can win when they enter their details. You can see it is allowed on Android, and you can see the only requirement is that your potential visitors have to enter their email or zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning the Cash App gift card, and you are going to be earning $3.42. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting these offers so that we can get people to complete them. If you want, you can promote one offer. If you want, you can promote two of them. In this case, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be promoting more than 3 offers. So you have to select similar offers so that we can promote them together, so that when we get people to click on our link, they can choose any of the offers that they like and then complete them for us to make money. In this case, we are going to be promoting anything that is cash giveaway. So you can see this one, grab 10,000 now. You can see this one, get your Cash App gift card. You can see this one, claim your 1,000 credit line. You can see enter for 1,000 McDonald's gift card. So there are many giveaways that we can promote. To promote the offers together, what you have to do is that you have to open a Word document or a notepad. If you want, you can use Google Docs. Whatever that you want, you can use that. Once you open the document, what you have to do is that you have to come back, click on the offer that you want to promote. So for example, we are going to promote this one, so just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the offer is only allowed in the United States, and you can see this is the requirement, and you can see this is the title of the offer. You can see this is your affiliate link, and you can see right here this is the payout. So this is the details of the offer. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back on your Word document or on your notepad and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come back, click right here to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste your affiliate link right here. Once that is done, you are going to close it and then move to another offer that is cash giveaway. You can see this one is also cash giveaway. Our potential visitor is going to win $1,000. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come on the Word document or on your notepad and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to come back, copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. So you have to list as many offers that you want to promote. As you can see, this is my list. You can see a whole lot of them. So if you want, you can even add more to this particular list. If you want, you can leave it like this. It doesn't matter. It depends on the number of offers that you want to promote. Once you have selected the offers that you want to promote, the next step is that you have to build a landing page so that you can promote all these offers on one landing page. One of the free platforms that you can use to build a landing page is site.google.com. So you have to search for site.google.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on blank so that you can create a new landing page. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. The first step is that you have to give a name to your landing page. So just come right here and then type a name that you want. In this case, I'm going to delete this one and then type something like cash giveaway. So cash giveaways, something like this, cash giveaways. Once you give a name to your landing page, the next step is that you have to write a page title right here. So the title here will tell the visitor about what you are promoting. In this case, you are promoting giveaway, so we are going to type a title related to that. Just type something like free cash giveaways, something like this, free cash giveaways, something like this. Once you have your title, you can highlight and then make it bold. Once that is done, you can choose the alignment. Just click on it and then choose any of the alignment that you want. Let me put it this way. Once you type the title of your page, the next step is that you are going to add an image to the background so that it will look nice. So just come right here, click on change image. Once you click on that, you are going to click on select. Once you click on select, you are going to select search. Once you click on search, you can type something like money or search for money. Once you search for it, you can see money. Just select any of this that you like. In this case, I want to select this one, so just click on it. If you want, you can scroll and then select any of these. In this case, I want this one. Once you select the image that you want, click on select so that it will replace the background. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to type a call to action right here. So just come right here, click on text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type something like click to win free cash now, something like this. Just type a call to action like this. The offers that you are promoting are allowed only in the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to indicate it so that our potential visitors will know whether they are qualified to complete the offers or not. So you have to add that information right here. So you can just click on bracket, open, and then type USA only, so something like this. Once you indicate that, just highlight it, make your text bold. You can increase the font size, so just scroll down and then select any of the font size. Once that is done, you can change the font theme if you like. You can change the alignment, whatever that you want, you can change it. Now once you have your call to action, the next step is that you have to begin adding the offers right here. To add the offers, you have to come right here and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to select button, so just click on that. Once you select button, you can see insert name and then link. So now what you have to do is that you have to come back on your Word document or on your notepad and then highlight and copy the name of the offer. Once you highlight and copy the name of the offer, you have to come back and then paste the name right here. Just paste the name right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to highlight and then copy your affiliate link. Just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here, insert. As you can see, it has appeared right here, so you have to enlarge it so that the text can appear well. As you can see, just drag it and then open it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to click on button again. Once you click on it, you are going to add the next offer, so just come back, highlight and then copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back right here and then paste the title. Once you paste the title, you are going to come back and then highlight and copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on insert. Once that is done, you are going to drag it so that it can open. Drag it to this level, drag it to this level. As you can see, that has been done. So now what you have to do is that you have to repeat the same steps so that you can add all the offers that you are promoting. As you can see, this is my landing page and you can see the number of offers that I want to promote. You can see 4 of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to publish the landing page. So just click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you are required to enter a web address. So just enter any name that you want. In this case, I'm going to type something like cash for free, something like this, cash for free. As you can see, that is not available, so just type cash for free 20. As you can see, that is available, cash for free 20. Once your web address is available, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, publish. As you can see, it has been published successfully, so click right here to view your landing page. As you can see, this is the landing page. The image has not appeared, but that is not a problem. You can see the offers are available. So anytime your potential visitor click on any of these, they are going to be directed to the offers through your affiliate links. For example, when you click on this one, it is going to direct you to the offer, but I'm not from the United States, so even if I click on it, we are not going to get access to the offer. So now once we have our affiliate link, the next step is that we are going to drive traffic to this particular landing page so that we can get people to click on the offers and complete them for us to make money. So we are targeting people from the United States, so you have to find a traffic source whereby you can get people from the United States so that they can complete the offers for you to make money. There are many traffic sources that you can use. You can buy traffic, you can use the free traffic method. In this case, I'm going to show you how to use free traffic to get many people to click on this particular landing page and then complete the offers for you to make money. One of the free traffic sources that you can use is Facebook. When you are on Facebook, what you have to do is that you have to search for groups that are related to the offers that you are promoting. In this case, you are going to search for Cash App. So just say Cash App groups, so something like this, Cash App groups, something like this. Just search for Cash App group. You can see Cash App USA, you can see Cash App group can see Cash App, you can see Cash App USA. So when you click on Cash App USA, you are going to get access to the group. You can see this is the group. As you can see, I've joined this group and the group is available for everyone. You can see public. So what you have to do is that you have to write a post so that you can get people's attention to your landing page. If you want, you can just come right here and then search for mini groups. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, see all, and then select groups. Just select groups so that you can find a lot of different Cash App groups that you can join. Once you select groups, you can see a whole lot of them. So let me just click on see all so that you can see the groups. As you can see, this is a group that you can join. You can see this is a group that you can join. You can see Cash App USA. You can see Cash App group. These are groups that you can join and then promote your landing page. You can see a lot of them. You can see I'm a member of these groups, as you can see. So now once you find the group, what you have to do is that you have to just join it and then open the group so that you can create a post. In this case, I'm going to use this particular group as an example. Once you open the group like this, what you have to do is that you have to write your post right here. So you can see something like write something. So just click on it and then create a post. So now what you have to do is that you have to write your information right here. In this case, I have my post, so I'm going to paste it right here. As you can see, this is my post. So you have to create a post like this. As you can see, this is the post. So you have to invite people to click on the link to your landing page so that they can complete the offers. As you can see, this is my post. We are excited to announce a fantastic opportunity for you to win cash prizes. So you have to just write something like this. Once you have your post, the next step is that you are going to paste the link to your landing page right here. It is acceptable because you are using Google site. Your link is going to be allowed. So just come back on your landing page and then click right here. Click on this particular icon. Once you click on it, click copy link so that you can copy the link to your landing page. Once that is done, you're going to come back and then paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you are going to click on post so that your post can go live onto the group. As you can see, it is posting. You can see your post has been submitted. So now what you have to do is that you have to keep on posting to different groups so that you can get many people to sign up for the offers. You can see this group is located in the United States, as you can see. So you are going to get the right people who are going to click on your link and then complete the offers for you to make money. So make sure you post to a lot of groups so that you can get people to sign up for the offers for you to make money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.